Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI Playbook. So today I'm going to explain you in the Power Query Text.PadStart function. So this is to add leading zeros to the numbers. So let's see how we can do that. So my data source looks as this. It has date, sales, profit and customers. Now we click transform data and go here, add column, and here you go and create a custom column. So in the custom name, column name, I said custom sales, and here I use this function text dot pad start. There are two text I did remove that, and here I give the column text dot from. I give the sales value, sales column, and then I need to give the count. So here I give you 5, and then I want to add the leading number as 0. Right, so let's see. Okay, so it gives error. So let's see, we can correct it. So here we give capital. Right, now it is corrected. So as you can see here, I took the sales. So each sales value here, it's 1000, added the leading 0 here, and this is kept for 5 numbers. So if I set it to 4, then what will happen is here the same number will be written. So if I count it to, let's say, 6, so then there are leading 2 zeros will be added and the value will be kept for 6. The characters will be kept for 6. So in summary, I'm using a function called text.padStart, and then convert the sales value into text, and then I add the zeros to the beginning, right? So until 6 numbers or the given numbers, I can convert it to adding leading 0, any value that we want. So thanks for watching, and usually this will be used not to do calculations. It's more for the displaying purposes we create this type of columns. Thanks for watching, and keep in touch for more videos.